Switching between servers on RE4. First, let's start by connecting our machine to the internet. Next, let's locate our IP address on our touchscreen. In your preferred browser, please input your machine's IP address to connect to the calibration page. In the top right corner, it will have your machine's access code. Please select it to copy the text. Now that we are connected, let's talk about the server list. Essentially, there is 3 servers that you can connect to. We may find ourselves switching between servers if one ever goes down for updates. Typically, these updates will happen late at night, but can also happen at any time of day. The 3 servers in question are RE4, RE4B, and Beta. Now let's try connecting to a server. In your browser, go ahead and connect to re4.fslaser.com. We are now connected to RE4. But if you notice at the bottom of my screen here, it mentions that my laser and my gantry are currently offline. This could mean 2 things. 1, my machine is currently turned off / not connected to the internet. Or 2, our machine is currently not using the RE4 server. I personally know my machine is on and connected to the internet, so our next option is pointing my machine to the correct server. In order to change the server, please select the Setup Page button. This will bring us to a screen that allows us to switch between the different servers. Currently, it reads that my device status is offline, so let's fix that. At the bottom of this screen, we are going to set our connect to URL to RE4B and then select the Set Connect to URL button. It now has populated the text to let us know our device has now changed servers and to reset our controller to apply the changes. Let's do that now. On our touchscreen, select the About page. Then select Reset and Reset Manager. You may notice the lights turn off then back on. This lets us know the reset was successful. Then we can connect to our new desired URL. Let's open up a new tab and enter our new URL. We are now connected to our new server. And if you notice at the bottom of my screen now, it says both my laser and gantry are now idle and no longer offline. We are now ready to start engraving. I hope this video helps out, and thank you for visiting Full Spectrum Laser. Until next time, keep on making.